One thing we've learned in 50 years of manufacturing aerial equipment is our success is in partnering with you with your rental fleets in the field. We're very proud to present this new scheduled maintenance program to help you reduce your total cost of ownership and improve your return on invested capital. For us at Genie, the definition of quality is to maximize the uptime of your equipment in the field, as well as to give you the highest return on invested capital in your rental fleet of any equipment. We understand there's a lot to that, but a big part of that is to make your equipment easy to maintain and to minimize the time it takes for you to do the scheduled maintenance on your equipment.
I've worked with you in the field and I've seen the time that it takes for you to locate information regarding the maintenance of Genie Boom products. We've taken the information from 24 manuals for boom maintenance for Genie products and reduced them to one. The changes in maintenance requirements that are reflected in this new manual will save you time and money, reducing the amount of time you have to spend on maintenance and have the units in your shop, keeping them out on rent for you.
I'm standing here in our research and development facility in Redmond, Washington. If you'd come here 25 years ago, you wouldn't see the extensive sets of component and test equipment you see today. What we're able to do with this is to take components, test them in various situations and various environments, and really see what types of failures occur and when and how often, and what we can do for scheduled maintenance to minimize those. That kind of science allows us to make significant changes to our scheduled maintenance program, reduce what's required, and give you easier maintenance in the field.
With the introduction of this new manual, we will be able to extend the service intervals for your equipment, which will maximize your uptime, minimize your time in the shop, which will reduce your cost of ownership, and provide you a greater amount of time to have this equipment on rent.
We encourage you to talk to your Genie representative or to go to our website and download our new scheduled maintenance program. You'll find the Boom scheduled maintenance program there now, and over the next 6 months, we'll roll out the new programs for scissors and telehandlers.